So multi-dimensional aggregates. A common type of aggregation operation is an aggregate along a row or column. Okay. So important number is in P of U by say of this is okay. Here. Okay. So we have this MR, okay? So which is like this. Okay? So which is kati by kati ko cha yo? Kati by kati ko cha yo? Very good. So it's my well, let's do some aggregation. Okay? So if I just do say np dot sum, MR variable, yeah. So if I just do this, यो सबैको sum हुन्छ हैन जति छ सबैको sum एउटा छ अनि यो जति पनि नम्बर्सहरु छ सबैको sum आउँछ तर if I want सबै यो कलमहरुको मात्रै sum चाहियो मलाई अनि जस्तै यो कलमको sum यो कलमको sum यो कलमको sum अनि so on है so if I need that है मैले चाहिँ के गर्न सक्छु np dot sum है mr and this is really I need to give some access is यसरी कलममा गर्ने हो भने I need to give row को दिनुपर्छ है हैन सो यो गरे भने यो पनि के भयो भने अब यो यसको सम चाहिँ यो भयो हैन यसको सम चाहिँ यो भयो यसको सम चाहिँ यो भयो यसको सम यो भयो है ओके axis equal to 0 भनेपछि के भयो भने this is the one that gets collapsed है त्यो एक्सिस चाहिँ कोल्याप्स हुन्छ कि जुन हामीले यहाँ एक्सिस दिन्छौँ त्यो एक्सिस कोल्याप्स हुन्छ भनेपछि यहाँ चाहिँ 0 भनेपछि रो भयो रो कोल्याप्स भएको छैन छ कि छैन हेर्नुस् त यसको रो पहिला 3 थियो अब यहाँ कोल्याप्स भएर है 1 भइदियो है त्यो चाहिँ फ्ल्याट कोल्याप्स के जुन हामीले कोल्याप्स हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ वी गिभ ब्याक हियर है ओके अनि सजिलो तरिका के छ भन्दाखेरि तपाईले अब रो अलोङ जस्तै तपाई कलमको गर्नु छ हैन along the columns को गर्नु छ भने you can give the row को index दिने है row दिने axis equal to row 0 axis equal to 0 row column मा गर्ने भने row को दिने है which is column मा गर्नु row which is this one है row मा गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ we give the column जस्तै यसैमा rather 1 दियो भने के आउँछ कतिवटा मेरो array मा कतिवटा नम्बर आउँछ कतिवटा आइटम्स आउँछ Very good. Yeah, in order also, right? So you can see here. This comes up here. Yes, go something no bio. Second one, right? Second row ko something no bio. And then third row ko something. Okay, makes sense, right? So x is 0, x is 1. Right? So you can do any mean. You want to mean. You get that mean. Right? So max. So, okay, so and then you can pick your axis. Okay. Okay. So your axis, you see that this one. Let me see. Okay, I have some. Okay, you're like यस्तो सम गर्दाखेरि यदि त्यहाँ नल भ्यालु छ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि त्यो पुरै चाहिँ नल नै भइदिन्छ कि सो त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हाम्रो कस्तो हुन्छ भने np dot nan sum np dot nan product यसरी हुन्छ जस्तै अब यो यहाँ तपाईँले यहाँ देख्नुहुन्छ जस्तै यो सबै np dot sum np dot product यो त भइहाल्यो यो त रेगुलर फंक्सन भइहाल्यो अर्को चाहिँ nan set पनि छ है nan set have we talked about nan यो मिसिङ भ्यालुज हामीले हेर्यौं छैन है यो मिसिङ भ्यालुज missing values हामी गरे हो के याद छ तपाईलाई याद छ so anyway so यसमा चाहिँ अब जस्तै यसमा Nancy भन्ने लेखेको छ नि so what that means is that like यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने जस्तै कुनै nan भनेको चाहिँ not a number which is missing value है missing value यसैमा एउटा देखाइहाल्छु यसैमा so if I have this r is equal to np.array right this is 1 2 3 np.nan nan भनेको missing value यो चाहिँ missing value है so is there minus 3 this is right this is अब if I do यो भनेको nan भनेको missing value यो missing value छ भने np.sum nan आउँछ यो चाहिँ भाइरस जस्तो हो के यो जहाँ nan आयो कि अब यो कुनैले पनि सबै nan सबैको अब तपाईँको mean निकाल्नुस् हैन mean median whatever you get all of them in nan भनेको not a number which is हैन not a number है यसरी आउँछ के तर हामीले त्यसले गर्दा हामीलाई चाहिँ नम्पाइले चाहिँ के दिएको छ nan safe है nan safe जस्तै nan sum है nan sum भयो भने यसले nanहरुलाई इग्नोर गरिदिन्छ है यसलाई इग्नोर गरिदियो and then it's 33 आयो 3 minus 3 0 हुन्छ 2 plus 1 is 3 3.0 है so जस्तै nan mean अब यसैमा mean निकाल्नु nan mean है so त्यो भने nan लाई इग्नोर गरेर है बाकी चाहिँ जस्तै यसमा के आयो 1 2 3 minus 3 मा 3 यसको एभरेज आयो है which is 3 divided by 4 हैन which is 2%. Okay so यो कुरा बुझ्नु भयो nan sum nan mean यस्तो के and it ignores those missing values so यो चाहिँ nan sum so okay so these okay so as you can see here the nan safe versions compute the results ignoring missing values okay all right so let's quickly look at an example okay average height of use presidents okay so isma it's a real world data of course isma let's do some analysis like that so we have this president heights.csv CSV file which I have provided you the folder is there right data files if you look in there you'll see that right? That's fine right so let's work on this right so rather let me exit this right let me exit this and I want to go to that files yeah directory I mean because I need to access that okay so let's see should be good right? Okay yeah go see let's try to see there yes president heights okay it's right there okay so what I'm going to do is that okay see now I can if I do ls you can see that right president heights your file ma तपाईलाई पठाइसकेको छु so it's already okay so I want to access this file right so okay here so I'm simply about normally you're saying content slash listen यो भनेको चाहिँ collab मा गरेको slash content slash you don't have to तपाईँले लोकलमा गर्दा चाहिँ you can just skip the file name है त so I can just do यस्तै यसैमा यो चाहिँ terminal command है terminal command head and this is president has disease so यो गर्ने नि यो raw file read गरेछ it's reading the raw file basically what I can do is I can read as a data frame right? So something called example first portion so import so what I can do is import pandas and pandas vanilla collaboration as pd is a पछि आउँछ है पछि आउँछ so we'll take a we will cover the standards in great detail right it's going to be of the this right so अब यसमा के छ भन्दा import pandas is pd yeah and this I can do really pd ले के गर्छ भन्दा like it lets you read a raw csv file csv भनेको comma separated value understand the values are separated by commas your first row छ नि यसमा 1 comma George Washington comma 189 2 comma John Adams comma 170 right so यसरी के छ भन्दा so these are the values are separated by commas right so that's why we call them csv means comma separated values right okay so as mostly data there is a csv file right okay because it takes up this space very simple and formatting is keeping on that okay? All right so let's see if I do so data is equal to bd dot read csv okay? bd dot read csv and this way I can give the file name this is president size right so you got it now data I can get very nice form right so data put it in this see data is data is nicely in a tabular format table format also right and then it's extremely powerful it's a data frame this is a data frame right so see type type data you get a data frame so this is a data frame yes I make no detail also right okay because this is extremely important okay so anyway so you see okay again data is a data frame dot header yes so it's my kick is order is the order so good order the first president was George Washington second was John Adams third Thomas Jefferson and so on and you look at height right so George Washington was 189 centimeters tall right? John Adams was 170 centimeters tall and so on right? Okay so now let's see अब यसको shape पनि data.shape you see 42 जना प्रेसिडेन्टहरुको छ तीनवटा columns right 1 2 3 right? Order name and heights right okay all right so let's do some analysis okay let's do some analysis so what we're going to do is okay so we're going to take just the heights right heights are matli right okay so हामीले because we want to analyze the height right heights is equal to right हामी के गर्न मिल्छ डेटा अनि यहाँ कलमको नाम दिए है height centimeter right so यो गरे भने चाहिँ I'll get heights यसमा यसै के हुन्छ heights right so heights यसरी 10 वटा प्रेसिडेन्ट height मात्रै आयो right so let's do some analysis so अब यसलाई even यसलाई अझै arrayमा लगायो भने अझै सजिलो हुन्छ होला right so हामीले यसलाई के गर्न मिल्छ यसलाई heights rather यसमा के हुन्छ भन्दा यसमा यो इन्डेक्स पनि आइरा हुन्छ कि यो चाहिँ सिरिज भन्छ हैन यो सिरिज पनि हामी पुट दिनु पर्छ so series ko yeah you see index we don't need index we just need the values you know So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि we can just get the values. So I can do this. Heights is equal to, मैले heights dot values. Heights dot values. Let's यो गऱ्यो भने array फर्ममा आयो यो सबैको हाइटहरु arrayमा आयो है we got all of them simply मैले यसलाई इन्डेक्स यसलाई भ्यालु हुन्छ मैले खाली भ्यालुज मात्र लेखेको है हाइट्समा इन्डेक्स पनि छ भ्यालु पनि छ तर I just decided to take just the values लिएर यसले चाहिँ मलाई array दिन्छ है so I get this array है so यहाँ 42 presidents सबैको अर्डरमा छ है I get all the heights of all the 42 presidents, right? From 1 to 42. Okay. Okay, so far, any questions?
So, sir.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. So, okay, so now let's go back here. So we got this heights, right? This is heights. Now let's do some analysis. Okay? Obviously, we can get, for example, your height circle. I can do, let's see, I want to get the maximum height, okay? So, okay, any ideas on how do I get the max? So, when the tallest president is the tallest president. Now, who is one? I know what was the tallest height of the president? You got it?
vid.max.
Right? And then let's do that again. So 193. So tallest is 193. Right? And mean height is 163. Right? Almost 30 centimeters difference. Right? Okay, so likewise, I want to get the average height. Average height was
np.min.
np.min. Yeah, I can do heights. So which is 179, almost 180. Almost 180, so 180 centimeters. I can do also all of them, median, and this is the median. It's the median height, 182. Right? Okay. So we can get all these, nice statistics, statistical summaries. Okay. All right. So we got all those next, the standard deviation and all that. So you can do that. Okay. So let's just plot it. Let's say plot. It's a plot because this is a virtual machine. Virtual machine. Display. So I'll just have to show you right. So it's my key one today. My matplotlib Oracle library, which will study in great detail. And the same will just study matplotlib. We'll devote this to matplotlib. It's a visualization library. Right? You can create nice charts and graphs. Right? Okay, so it's the same. So it's simply with your code, you don't have to worry about the code right now because you'll be expert at this. Also, you'll be expert. So simply, I'm going to let's say histogram. Right? So histogram around the area. Histogram, we talked about histogram. Histogram, right? So let me quickly show you what histogram is. Yeah. So let me quickly tell you what is a histogram. Right? Histogram. But let's summarize it, of course. Right? So what is it? What's like the idea? So what is a histogram? Okay, histogram. So let's see. So
graphical representation.
Yeah, graphical representation though that are key information to do. Okay, so I have air is equal to 1, 2, something like that. It doesn't have to be this way. यसरी सँगसँगै हुनुपर्छ भन्ने छैन है यो सफल पनि हुन सक्छ तर अहिले हामीलाई सजिलो होस् भनेर मात्र मैले यसरी गरेको छु our data could be in any form यसरी nicely यसरी नै हुनुपर्छ okay so so use the mirror this is my air so is this how well it's not all admin all right so let's see if I have this let's copy and paste this go down here connect right here okay so this is my air right this is my the list this is a list okay? so let's try this yeah I'll have to go let's see so let's see so I'm going to make a histogram right histogram I have to do import matplotlib pyplot blt.hist histogram okay, let's try this so so यो छ so यसबाट okay यो र योमा के रिलेसन देख्नुहुन्छ यो जुन ग्राफ छ यो ग्राफ र यो array हैन although it's not an array यो list है यसको यो what is the relationship के खालको प्याटर्न के रिलेशनशिप देख्नुहुन्छ
कुन इन्च कति मात्रामा
कति frequency हैन त्यस्तै हेर्नुस् 0 कतिवटा छ हेर्नुस् त 0 कतिवटा छ यहाँ यो डेटामा 0 कतिवटा छ
एउटा
मात्रै 0 छ नि त भन्दाखेरि यसमा हेर्नुस् त 0 कतिवटा छ एउटा छ है अनि नेक्स्ट चाहिँ के छ 1 कतिवटा छ हेर्नुस् त तीनटा 1 छ है 1 मा कति छ 3 छ है ओके भनेपछि अब 2 कतिवटा हुनु पर्यो 2 दुईवटा हुनु पर्यो त्यसै 3 कतिवटा छ 1 2 3 4 5 है हेर्नुस् त 3 मा 5 है अनि त्यसपछि अनि 5 कतिवटा एउटा 5 छ अनि दुईवटा 7 छ है सो हिस्टोग्रामले के भन्छ यसले फ्रिक्वेन्सी it's a frequency plot okay? How frequently are they occurring okay? So the frequency plot it's a frequency plot okay all right the frequency table it's a frequency table त्यसलाई चाहिँ त्यसैलाई plot गर्ने जस्तो है okay so when you histogram बुझ्नु भयो what is histogram म यो चाहिँ डिस्क्रिट भ्यालुजमा त्यो चाहिँ कन्टिन्युअस भ्यालुजमा भने यसलाई चाहिँ उसले चाहिँ बिनिङ गर्छ कि बिनिङ भने चाहिँ यतिदेखि यतिको भनेर उसले चाहिँ बाउन्ड्री उसले चाहिँ योमा हैन त्यसलाई चाहिँ बाउन्ड्री गर्दै जान्छ हैन सो त्यो चाहिँ okay well let's go back here okay so where was that अब यसको मतलब के भयो धेरै जस्तो प्रेसिडेन्टको हाइट करिब कतिमा रहेछ जस्तो करिब कति अराउन्ड धेरै जस्तो प्रेसिडेन्ट कति रहेछ अराउन्ड
एकछिन हाइट 180
यो चाहिँ सबभन्दा हाइट सबभन्दा बढी यसको यो टलेस्ट छ भनेपछि 12 जना प्रेसिडेन्टले यति हाइट छ भनेपछि सो समवेयर अराउन्ड से 182 समथिङ हैन 182 183 जति हैन सो त्यो छ है अनि अब एकदमै हैन कम हाइट हुने पनि कम छ एकदमै धेरै हाइट हुने पनि कम छ है सो मैले अस्ति भने हामीले नर्मल डिस्ट्रिब्युसनमा मैले कुरा गरेको थिएँ नि सो हामीले वी सी दिस इन नेचर हैन भनेको थिएँ नि हैन हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा हाम्रो नेचरमा we see that. So doesn't it look like a normal curve? Understand? Bell shape चाहिँ छैन more or less. किनभने यसमा डेटा कम छ त्यसले गर्दा जति डेटा बढ्दै गयो त्यसले चाहिँ त्यति एप्रोक्सिमेसन एक्युरेट हुँदै जान्छ है बुझ्नुभयो यतातिर पनि कम छ बढ्दै 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 जान्छ एउटा पिकमा पुग्छ अनि फेरि सट्ट घट्दै 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 यसो हुन्छ है यो कुरा बुझ्नुभयो सो भनेपछि यो what kind of distribution कस्तो खालको डिस्ट्रिब्युसन भनेपछि के डिस्ट्रिब्युसन नर्मल डिस्ट्रिब्युसन अल्सो गाउसियन डिस्ट्रिब्युसन है
Gaussian.
भनेपछि यो हाम्रो नेचरमा इट्स अल नर्मली इट्स अकरिङ डिस्ट्रिब्युसन okay so see now how nicely we were able to यसमा हेर्नुहोस् यसको मिन हेर्नुहोस् न यसको मिन कति छ what's the mean 179.83 almost 180 so mean भनेपछि पीक हो मैले हामीले नर्मल डिस्ट्रिब्युसनमा गरेको थियो नि हैन पीक हो नि त त्यो हैन हेर्नुस् त भनेपछि पीक कति छ करिब 180 मा पीक छ हैन एक्ज्याक्टली छैन तर around 180 मा you see that peak right here right? Which is the mean right? Peak भनेको mean okay all right any questions so far no? Okay all right so let's see we can do let's see very simple computation but we can draw so many insights right here so this is it's very simple computation simple code very simple okay another thing is so let me first take your attention so I will pause the record okay so yeah so next thing we're going to talk about is the forecasting forecasting is also a vectorized operation and a vectorized operation as I mentioned earlier so they're meant to make the computation extremely fast and they're highly optimized okay so so let's see you saw how NumPy is universal function we used vectorized operations right another means of vectorizing is broadcasting right so simply put broadcasting is a set of rules for applying binary u-funcs on arrays of different sizes right like a size different भयो अहिलेसम्म जुन u-functsहरु थियो so basically the हाम्रो arrays 20 को and array 20 को जुनै universal function use गर्दा हाम्रो शेप चाहिँ म्याच हुनु पर्छ array स्केलरमा चाहिँ त्यो अर्कै स्टोरी हैन तर array 20 को हैन कम्पिटिसन सुरु गर्नु पर्यो भने they have to be the same size they had to be हैन we saw अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ हेर्यो नि and they were the same size है तर अब चाहिँ के भयो भने now we can also do computations on arrays of different sizes but this one of course there's some constraints right pretty much just the very different size arrays ma pani yo universal functions we apply okay so just say what we say smile so look at this this example so let me just copy paste state what do I go x x and y right if they're array so if I do x plus y well here can also
579
yeah 579 because element wise addition 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 3 is 9 right so it's my keyword I remember array size they were same right they were same okay so when you see it's one your element is one element so it was Right? So this is the normal thing that we have seen so far. Right? So what if our array sizes, their shapes, right, are different? Right? So that's where broadcasting comes in. Right there. So what if you want to perform such operation on an array of different sizes? Broadcasting allows this type of operations to be performed on arrays of different sizes. Right? So, okay, let's see, for example, with even this. Okay? So I can just do x plus any other scalar. So see? You use this on this side. It's some kind of, this is also a kind of a broadcasting. You know, when they use the shape the middle, then you're a scalar row, you're an array row. I mean, the shapes are different, you know. So and there's some kind of a broadcasting going on, broadcasting by that, right? Okay, which you will see in the next, right? Okay, or in the next class, right? So let's see. Let's try this. Say, I have this array. So yes, understand. So you see empty array, right? Empty, okay. 3 by 3, right? 3 by 3 array. So yes, ma'am. Yeah, let me just do. If I do this, right? And this is x. If I do, right? MDR, MDR plus x. When you say, yeah, shape the millennium. Say you're 3 by 3, sir. Okay. Yeah, this is 3 by 3. And then this is 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. This shape millennium. But can we still do ufunc? Ufunc operation on millennium? The answer is yes. Yes. See? Obviously, I mean, it's your let me quickly show you. Let me quickly show you how it worked. So let's this make you so many. हाम्रो यो एउटा MDR छ नि MDR चाहिँ 1111111 है प्लस भएको यतातिर के छ 1 2 3 छ x यो चाहिँ MD MDR यतातिर x हैन x चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि 1 2 3 छ भनेपछि अब यसमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यसले यो चाहिँ 3 by 3 छ यो चाहिँ 1 by 3 छ भनेपछि यसले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि अब यसले इन्टरनली के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि यसलाई चाहिँ 3 by 3 शेपमा ल भने ठ्याक्क मिल्छ दुवै मिल्छ नि हामीले हैन त्यहाँ एड गर्न मिल्यो है सो उसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि अब यसलाई चाहिँ यहाँनिर डुप्लिकेट गर्छ है डुप्लिकेसन यो वेट चाहिँ डुप्लिकेसन है सो यसरी डुप्लिकेट गरेर नाउ वी क्यान इजिली डु एडिसन अब एलिमेन्ट वाइज एडिसन भयो भन्दाखेरि जस्तै यो सबैमा 1 जोडियो हैन यो सबैमा 1 जोडियो भनेपछि 2 3 4 भयो अनि सेम यहाँ तल 2 3 4 अनि फेरि 2 3 4 is the result which is here right okay so यसैलाई हामी ब्रोडकास्ट भन्छौँ यहाँनिर ब्रोडकास्ट भयो के so this is है यहाँनिर के भइरहेछ ब्रोडकास्टिङ भइरहेछ है यहाँनिर के भइरहेछ ब्रोडकास्टिङ so this is called broadcasting है it's really handy है एकदमै handy हुन्छ यो AI machine learning data science this broadcasting makes your computation your expressions so simple right so if you did not have broadcasting so broadcasting code would be so messy and loop it would be slow first thing and your code would be ugly code ugly so you understand how simple code simple code right all right got this elegance it's all about elegant code and then dirty parts and ugly parts okay you see library so that programmers can write clean nice and elegant beautiful right okay so I'll just stop here for today so we have less than 1 minute so I'll see you on Monday I'll see you on Monday and this was him Okay, I wish you good luck again. Right? And, okay, bye bye now.
Rồi, sợ.